Hi, my name's Dave with Capita Snowboards, and this is the 2017 Birds of a Feather. The Birds of a Feather is our #1 selling women's board for good reason. It features our best-selling camber profile as well. It's our hybrid camber profile. So that means the board has positive camber underneath your feet, so it's nice and powerful and snappy. Has zero camber outside your foot, so it's very predictable. And then it has a small little blend zone, 4 millimeters of reverse camber, where we take the contact points and raise them up off the snow so it doesn't catch. The board is a true twin with a radial side cut. It has a carbon fiber stringer from contact point to contact point, so it keeps the board nice and snappy as well. It's a great all-mountain board, and it has a sintered base as well. So come check out our #1 selling women's board, Birds of a Feather.